Algorithms are everywhere, they power our digital world. From recommending your next favorite song to showing you the fastest route home, algorithms work behind the scenes. They are like recipes that computers follow. These recipes help computers solve problems quickly and efficiently. One such elegant algorithm is binary search. It's an algorithm that helps us find things quickly. Think of it like a magic trick. You can find what you're looking for in a snap. In this essay, we'll delve into the world of binary search. Imagine looking for a name in a thick telephone directory. You wouldn't start from the first page and go through every name, would you? That would take forever. Binary search offers a smarter approach. Imagine you're looking for Neha Sharma in this directory. With binary search, you would open the directory in the middle. You see the name Manpreet Singh. Manpreet Singh comes before Neha Sharma alphabetically. So, you discard the entire first half of the directory. You only need to search in the second half. You repeat this process. You keep dividing your search space in half. Eventually you zero in on the name Neha Sharma. That's the power of binary search. Let's say you have a shelf with books arranged in alphabetical order. The titles are A Brief History of Time, Cosmos, Sapiens, The Elegant Universe, and The God Equation. You want to find the Elegant Universe. With binary search, you first go to the middle book, which is Sapiens. Sapiens comes after the Elegant Universe alphabetically, so you discard Sapiens and all the books after it. Now your search space is reduced to A Brief History of Time and Cosmos. The middle book is Cosmos. Cosmos comes after the Elegant Universe alphabetically, so you discard Cosmos. Voila! You have found the Elegant Universe. Section 4. The efficiency of binary search. Why is binary search so special? Because it's incredibly efficient, especially when dealing with large data sets. Imagine searching for a single grain of rice in a sack of rice. Going grain by grain would take ages. Binary search is like dividing the sack in half repeatedly. Each division drastically reduces the search space. This makes finding that one grain of rice much faster. Let's compare it with linear search, where you check each element one by one. If you have 100 elements, linear search could take up to 100 steps. However, binary search would find it in about 7 steps. That's a huge difference. Section 5. Binary search in the tech world. Binary search is not just a theoretical concept, it's a cornerstone of many technologies we use every day. Think about searching on Google. When you type in a query, Google doesn't scan through every single web page on the internet. That would be incredibly slow. Instead, Google uses algorithms like binary search to quickly narrow down the search results. Databases also rely on binary search for efficient data retrieval. Finding a specific record in a database with millions of entries would be impossible without it. Section 6. Binary search in action, Python implementation. Let's look at how binary search works in code. Here's a simple Python implementation. Def binary search, array, target, performs binary search on a sorted array. Args array, the sorted array to search. Target, the value to search for. Returns, the index of the target value if found, -1 otherwise. Left =, 0 right =, len, array. 1 while left, =, right, mid =, left plus right, //2 if array mid, =, target, return mid elif array mid, target, left =, mid plus 1 else, right =, mid. 1 return -1 example usage. Array, =, 2 5 7 11 15. Target =, 7 index =, binary search array target if index =, -1 print f target found at index else print target not found in array. This code snippet demonstrates the step-by-step process of binary search within a sorted array. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Python. The comments explain what each part of the code does. Section 7. Binary search beyond the code. From search engines like Google to databases used by large companies, binary search is everywhere. It's the backbone of many technologies that define our digital age. When you apply filters on an e-commerce site to find a specific product, binary search is often working behind the scenes. Even stock market applications use it to track stock prices in real time. Binary search is a testament to the power of clever algorithms. Its elegance lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It's a fundamental concept in computer science that has far-reaching implications.